Megan from Admissions here. I have some small step-by-steps to help you take your next giant leap. In this episode, we will walk through accepting your offer of admission. You have until May 1st to accept your offer. You can begin by going to mypurdue.purdue.edu. After logging in with your career account information, you'll likely see an alert for Boilerkey. You can choose the Skip and Continue to Web Page option. You have plenty of time to set up Boilerkey. From there, you'll be taken to your new student task list. The very first task is accept your offer of admission. Once you're ready to accept your offer, be sure to select the correct term. You should see the option to pay my advance fee deposit. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to select your entry term again, followed by the option to pick a deposit type. Double check that you've selected the correct term, deposit type, and hit continue. You'll be prompted to select your payment method, then hit continue again. You should have one additional spot to verify you've selected the $400 enrollment deposit. Then click continue to PayPath. A new window should open up for PayPath. Once in PayPath, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. To verify your enrollment deposit has been received, you should see that item on your new student task list now has a check mark. Congratulations, you're officially a Boilermaker.